Hey everybody, it's Beth. I'm using this gift bag and 4 of these frames from Dollar Tree. I removed the center from the frames. I won't be using those. I also remove all of the little pins from the frames. Next, I'm taking just a leftover gift box that I had, placing the frames on there and taping them together to have the shape that I need, and then trace out the box. I cut that down, and then I also cut away the front of the gift bag. And then add Mod Podge to one side of that box, making sure that it's completely covered. And then I place down the gift bag. Make sure that it's lined up with the edges. Smooth that out a little, and then I do trim up a little bit on the top. Use my heat tool to make sure that Mod Podge is completely dry. And once it is, I go around and trim up any excess bag that is hanging over. Next, I'm taking quick hold glue and hot glue, adding that to the edges of the frames where they meet and placing them together. I flip that over, and then on the back side of the frames, I'm adding tacky glue. I'm using this to attach the image to the back. I prefer this over using hot glue in case I don't set it right. That way I can move it until I have it exactly where I want it. I place the frames over the image and get it lined up, and then press that down. I flip it over and go along with my heat tool and press down on where it meets the frame. Next, I'm taking this 10-inch piece of chunky wood I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I paint that with black chalk paint. I then used both of those glues again, put it on the bottom of the frames, and place it centered on the piece of wood. To give it some extra stability on the back, I hot glue 3 tumbling blocks together, and then paint 2 sides of that as well as the edges with that black chalk paint. And then I add those 2 glues again to the unfinished parts, and then place it where the back of the frames meet the piece of wood. Next, to dress up the front a little bit, I'm taking 2 pieces of this Garland, and that's from Dollar Tree as well. I trim them down to size, and I wrap them around each other, just so they're a little bit thicker. I take these fairy lights I got from Amazon, and I wrap them around, just going back and forth with them until I have it completely covered, leaving a little bit of wire on the end with that battery pack so I can hot glue it to the back. I add hot glue to where the front of the frames meets the wood and place down the garland, just holding it in place until that sets, and then hot gluing the battery pack in the back. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.